The viewers may not know it, but we usually have very small crews out because we need a small footprint, not to be in the way of the rescuers.
It's hard for him to judge how many people you need to get the job done. So they had to call up another truck. Yeah.
More manpower, more truck power.
We always try to put the action cameras in positions where it's too dangerous for us to stay.
Exactly. Sometimes you cannot use the drone, but you want that shot. Then we use a small wire cam like this. With this gear, we got really creative. So we made a big rig out of scrap metal up in the garage that we can attach to the truck so we can ride it through the windows. Yeah, there was a different rescue. They went out for a date in the truck. That's pretty awesome.
It's the life.
Yeah. She's gonna get used to that. And probably, yeah. Even if he stepped up every season, now we can see that he's keeping his calm, even in a stressful situation like this.
There's a lot of dangerous situations when we're out shooting. The ones that sticks out the most for me is when it's really bad weather. It's like 30 meters per second wind. If you don't know what you're doing, it might get really dangerous really quick. I think it's really fun.
We talked a little bit about the gear we use and how we use it. Of course, we forgot the most important gear. Something else is really important. Ta-ta! Put them on your shoes. Without this, you're nothing. Tror vi har det. That's good. Good night. Show is over.